Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check oil on your Land Rover Discovery 4. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface. This is crucial for an accurate reading. Next, allow the engine to cool down for at least 10 minutes. This gives the oil time to settle in the sump. Your Discovery 4 uses an electronic sensor, so there's no physical dipstick to pull out. Once the engine is cool and the car is level, turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Now, use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate through the vehicle's information system. Look for the Service or Vehicle Information menu on your dashboard display. Within this menu, you will find the option to check your oil level. After selecting Oil Level, the display will show you the current status. It will typically say oil level OK if everything is good, or it will indicate if the level is low. If it's low, add oil in small increments, perhaps 1/4 of a liter at a time, and recheck. Remember, overfilling can cause significant engine damage, so always add slowly. Regular oil checks are vital for your Land Rover's longevity. Aim to check it every 1,000 miles or at least once a month. Always refer to your owner's manual for the specific oil type and viscosity recommended for your Discovery 4. Proper maintenance ensures your engine runs smoothly for many years. Also, for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.